Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Ball Legends error code CR032767-4353. The error reads, "An error has occurred." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game. According to our research, the exact cause is not confirmed, but it may be due to app glitches, connectivity issues, or server problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game completely and then restart your device. After restarting, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If the error continues, try disconnecting your device from the internet and then reconnecting it. You can do this by turning off your Wi-Fi or mobile data, then waiting for a few seconds, and then turning it back on. Once done, open the game and check if this helps with the error. If the error doesn't resolve, try cleaning the cache data. After that, relaunch the game and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it is possibly a server-side issue. In that case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.